Hello, I'm Keir McNab. I'm on team Pretty Interesting Experiences and I'm the sound designer for them. Today I'm coming to you from Abertay's recording studio and I'm here to do some Foley work for the game that we're working on, Sight Unseen. So the plan for today is to record the vault door opening at the beginning of the game. The game itself is very much sci-fi, so it doesn't lend to a lot of Foley, but for this part specifically I do need to do quite a lot of it. So today we're going to be using some equipment such as a bamboo stick, a lettuce, and other mechanical materials to create the elements to make it seem like a big vault door's opening. Yes, so what I've got here is just a small little cable. It very much contrasts with the big bamboo stick because the big bamboo stick, because of the wider surface area, produces lower frequencies than this, so it's used for different things. There's a very old trick used where you just run your fingers over the top of the balloon and it sounds very similar to a creaky door already. Just throw a couple of filters on that and then you end up with a very old creaky door. I should have blown a balloon after I did this. So I'm going to be ripping a lettuce apart for the sakes of getting a bit more texture to the lasers that are in the game, because lasers do have a bit of a crunch to them, so this will do quite well and I'll use it for other potentially mechanical sources later on.